Hello friends, my name is Evan Kazi and welcome to the video series on Python programming. This series has been created for students who already know to program in some programming language or in any one programming language like C, C++ or Java. They should have the willingness to learn Python and build new things and apply whatever they learn in the video series to solve the real world challenges. The topics that I will be covering are as follows: the basic syntax, variables and types of variables, operators, decision makings, loops, numbers, string, list, tuples, dictionary, date and time, functions, modules, file IO and exception handling. I am using Visual Studio Code as my environment along with CoreTurner extension on Ubuntu. To install the Python environment, you can visit the official website of Python. If you are looking forward to install Visual Studio Code, you can visit Microsoft's official website. Alright, so let's get started.